Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change background in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a dedicated tool for directly replacing the background in an image, but you can achieve a background change effect using the double exposure feature. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your Snapseed application. Now tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen and select an image from your device's camera library, or you can also open up your camera and take a picture right away and import it on your preview page. Once you have a picture selected, tap on the Tools option at the bottom and scroll down and click on Double Exposure. Once you pick the Double Exposure option, tap on the little image icon at the bottom left and then select another image you would like to use as a background image. Soon after you do that, tap on the opacity icon at the bottom and decrease or increase the opacity in order to make your background image visible. After you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and that way you will be able to change your background on Snapseed. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.